Hello everyone, Jainendra this side. I hope you are all doing good today. In this video, we are going to discuss about the process involved in downloading the MySQL in the system. So first, open up the browser and search for MySQL. And this is the official website of MySQL. Go to the download sections and search for MySQL Community GPL downloads. And there you can find the MySQL Community server. And this is the recommended version provided by MySQL for your system. Just click on it and download the first file. As I've already downloaded that file, you can download it by clicking the download button. That's it. Now go to your download section and just open up the file and allow the permission to download it. Click on yes. Again it is asking, and please watch every step very carefully so that you won't miss anything. The first step, you won't need to change anything. Leave all the default settings as it is. Just click on the next button and execute all the files recommended by the MySQL in your system. Just click on the execute button. It will take some time, so don't worry about it. Just let them to install. Okay. Yeah, the downloads are done. Just click on the next button and again execute the queries. The downloads are completed. Just click on the next button, and here you need to configure the servers. So just click on the next button and leave them settings as default. Don't change anything in this part. This part is very crucial. Okay, so don't change anything. Just click on the next button, and this is use strong password encryption. The password is required, as whenever you open your database in the future, that password is required. Okay, so I recommend you to please put your password very carefully and don't forget your password, because in future that MySQL won't allow you to change the password. Okay, so click on the next button, and I recommend you to please put your root password as a root itself so that you won't forget. Okay, just write root. Okay, click on the next button and leave them with these settings as default, and again default. Okay, click on the next button. That's it. Now you have to execute these configuration steps. This won't take much time. Let them to execute. Okay, now move forward to just click the finish button. It's asking for finish for 2 more times. Next, then again next, finish, then again next. Okay, no, the password you have written there, just write out again. As my password was root, so I write the root password and check the password. The connection is succeeded, and then click on the next button. So you have to write your own password that you have wrote in that step. Okay, and check your connection. If the connection succeeded, then click on the next button. And now again you have to execute some configuration steps. So click on the execute button and let them steps be executed. So after executing, just click on the finish button. And at the last time, you have to click on the next button, clip lock to the clipboard, and then click on the finish button. And I guess, yeah, then MySQL is installed in the browser, in a system actually. MySQL is installed in the system. Close that terminal, and this is my private directory, so my private connection. So you can ignore this. In your workbench, you can see that local instances where it is by default connection provided by the MySQL. Okay, so just close it. You can open it from search bar by writing workbench. So this is the workbench of MySQL where you have to write your codes. Okay, so this is the UI of MySQL. So before executing your queries, you just have to do some little work to execute. The first thing is you have to go to your program files and search for MySQL, and this file MySQL Server 8.0. In this file you can find the bin folder, and after coming to this folder you have to copy that directory location and search for environment variables. And now in this, click on the environment variables and choose the path. Double click on it, it will open up and create a new path, and paste the part you have copied from there. Okay, and click OK, then again OK, then again OK. So now your environment variable is stored, and now you can execute your queries. So these are the default system databases you can use. Otherwise, I have some databases already downloaded, so you can use them. I can post them in the description so that you won't need to make your database, because database you can easily create a database by creating tables, like executing the queries like your table name and all. It will take time, so by for testing purpose, I just download my database from the system and show you like how queries are running. Okay, for this you have to click on this folder and they are the directories, they are the databases that I have downloaded in the system. So I can share these all databases in a description box, so you can download it from there. Okay, just open it, and there is a small, not small, there is a big query. You have to run it by clicking on this symbol, or if you are a window user, then you can use control plus shift and enter to execute any query. Okay, so just click control shift or enter, that query will be executed, and after refreshing the schemas, you can see there is SQL inventory updated in your database. Okay, so if you open up the tables, then you can see the products. So after clicking this calculator symbol, you can see the table uh, database is open. Okay, so or you can work on any query, like if you need some particular product limit and all, so you can work on it here. Like if I need my names in a order, ascending order, so you can just written by order by name, then execute the query. You can get the names by ascending order of the symbols. Okay, so that's all about today. I hope you understand how MySQL is installed in the system and it is working. So if you need any more videos related to MySQL, then you can ping me in my comment section. I will make for you for sure. Yeah, thank you.